Eaton is one of the world's largest and most trusted suppliers of marina power equipment. We offer a variety of high-quality products for complete marina development needs. The Lighthouse Pedestal is used to provide shore power to vessels of all sizes, from personal boats to luxury yachts. This video will cover how to properly install the Lighthouse Pedestal. We recommend that a qualified electrical contractor install this unit and run the appropriate wires and conduit to the base of the pedestal. Before getting started, it is important to make sure the power supply is disconnected or turned off. To begin, remove the 4 corner screws that attach the top housing of the pedestal to the base. Find the plastic hook hinge and fold down the top section. You will need to drill or punch out the 2 marked circles on the inside of the Lighthouse base and attach the proper conduit. Pull the wires up through the base and to the bus bar before mounting the base. Always use stainless steel hardware and a stainless steel washer between the bolt head and the mounting feet. Make sure the mounting surface is flat and level. If not, use the stainless steel washers to shim the base level before tightening the mounting bolts or screws. For wood docks, we recommend using 4 3/8-inch bolts or lag screws on 11.75-inch center for through-hole mounting of the Lighthouse base. An electrician will need to crimp wire terminations on power supply lines and attach the leads. A silicone bronze flat washer, Belleville washer, and nut are provided for each incoming supply line. The bus bars are identified as L1, L2, N, and ground. Make sure the supply lines are connected to the proper bus lug. Loop feeding can be accomplished by bringing each conductor to each phase and out on each phase to the next pedestal in parallel. Wire size limits are 350 MCM for direct feed and 4 AWG for loop feed. To install the water connection, remove the water panel to access the back side of the water fitting for connection. Attach a hose elbow to the back of the water valve. We recommend attaching a flexible stainless or black poly hose from your water line. Pull the hose out from under the base and connect it to the back of the hose elbow. Guide the hose back into the base and reinstall the panel. For Internet and cable TV connection, remove both access panels. Pull the Internet and cable lines out from under the base and connect them to the back side of the assembly. For Internet connection, you will need to remove the Internet jack and separate the wires. Once connected, guide the wires back into the base and reinstall the panels. Fold the top section of the Lighthouse back onto the base and replace the 4 corner screws. To install a base cap to allow for safe pedestal storage prior to storms, inclement weather, or flooding, remove the bus bar and Lighthouse top. Use 4 screws to attach the base cap to the Lighthouse base. The Lighthouse Pedestal should now be installed. For more information on the Lighthouse features and other Eaton MP&L offerings, visit the Eaton Videos YouTube channel.